Yeah, guys, so it has been a day. It's been a wonderful day.
Yeah, guys, it's been a long, exhausting day, but we finally made it back.
Yeah.
So,
hopefully you're gonna love the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah,
subscribe to your channel too.
NJ Nature Jamaica.
Alright. Are the best when you come into the raft.
A celebrity, yeah, man.
What's your name?
Belinda.
Alright,
yeah,
Belinda. Nice to meet you. I shared the original thing there. You had to talk about the authentic type of thing there. I saw where you come from, you know.
Yeah, man. Tell me, man, you know what we turn down fire? How you turn down fire?
How you turn down? Show me, demonstrate.
Just so you turn down fire, man, you have to draw out the stick them. Nah, tell us how to draw out now with it.
So I go on down the feet. That's how we come from, you know. So just go here.
You don't know the Scientific card with you, copy of the next media. Good luck.
Come on, Jaya. Me and my greedy butt, I just went straight in and started biting it like it's a daggum apple. No, he said, wait, let me get a banana leaf so I can cut.
AJ. Yeah. Kian. Yeah, this thing, you see it? Yeah, this style.
Stuff like that, so you just learn. If you don't have a knife,
right now, I'm aboard.
break it and
I go for the next destination, you see it? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up his students.
Okay, so yeah, so we gotta take everything.
So anything you leave with me, have a carrot coming up here.
Sir,
Anything you want to leave, I'll take it up here to me.
okay, I'll do that.
Yep. Yeah, people, so we arrived to Barradale River. Out with the team. Rio Grande. Alright. St. Margaret's Way, okay. So we're gonna do a raft today. Yeah, guys, so we're doing the raft and this is the first stop before we complete the raft. This is they have a little shop over here, sell food, and we're going to St. Margaret's Bay. So this is the first stop before we reach to St. Margaret's Bay. Some of us show no one going. That's it.
Deborah, your flag is still down there.
Hello, how you feeling? How was it?
Like I got more money than
Yeah, it's good. Never know you're so long. Yeah. Come on, relax.
I believe that kind of thing is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Locking the experience.
It's been too long.
Guess what? Tell the man I don't need the cushion, but boy, I need the cushion.
It's needed. Me too. Yeah, it did need it. Alright, So I go on there, people. That's where I come from, you know, before gas stove days. Yeah.
Yes, that's me. That's me. Thank you. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, that's good. All right, y'all.
It's ready when you are. Yeah, man. Ready whenever
Hello.
you are.
Yeah, man. Just so I will take some group picture with everybody. Yeah, man. Come here, wait for that. Yeah.
To get to the
So we'll follow your direction, guys.
Okay. Come.
Come in, man. You take a picture, man.
All right.
Yeah, body up. I mean, I
bro.
know Korea great now.
All right. Wait, take one more.
Hey, everybody in our world know Belinda now.
Yeah.
A celebrity.
The best when you come into the raft.
A celebrity, yeah, man.
What's her name?
Belinda.
All right,
Yeah,
Belinda.
man.
Nice to
Dexter,
meet you.
the lady
I shared
of-
the original thing there. You
Yeah,
tell
man.
me about
The
the
famous
authentic
more
type
than
of
me.
thing there. That's where you come from, you know.
Yeah, man.
Tell
I
you.
mean, man, you know if you turn down fire? How you turn
How
down
you
fire?
done, man? Show me, demonstrate.
Just so you turn down fire, man, you have to draw out the stick them. Nah, tell us how to draw out now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is wrong. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And if you see one of them stick your smoke, you know, it's a pitch point or something. You know what I
Yeah.
You're thirsty.
You see the people's a rest stop and a restaurant in one. So everybody are chill. And I wait for the food for ready. Yeah, big up on yourself. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, so just to eat, everybody belly full. And we'll go back on the raft, you know. And go somewhere else. Everybody are going to chill out. Captain them and chill out. Then drink and eat. Best chef over there, so. I never show a part in time I eat, but the food did really nice. So when I want to come on the rafting, right here, so I want to stop to get them the nice food. Yeah.
Where are you going?
You guys, I get to find out that this is Belinda's kitchen. So you can, and the Rio Grande, so you guys can search for her. Yeah.
No, bro, not say that, man. Where are they?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Eh? Ready?
Okay, we heard about it, Kama young guys did this, you know. So I heard about it at this rafting here started from 1911. That's what I learned about it. You know those times some of the parents were born, some of the grandparents, they just gone. You understand? So I heard about it that the first man who go rafting in this river here was a man by
Rough, man.
All right. After them to Errolville came up the top here, like a few times he came there and see the people them taking the banana downstream like we as a captain taking the raft downstream, but those times they make a long trough on it, like from the back like here that they put back the banana in. So what really happened, he asked them for a ride and said, well, you would like maybe like a quarter mile ride. So he sits in the front here, meantime they carry the banana and partway he step off and walk over back. Like it's about 2 to 3 times I heard that it is. Like the next like in like 2 weeks time after we bring like 2 people. That is he and his wife. So they made a trip downstream. Like weeks after again it takes like 9 people. 9 people on the raft. So everybody, each one of these rafts here at those times could only take like 4 people and 5 people. But there is no backrest like how you were having a backrest and 6. It was a big flat bed like what you are seeing here. So going on, and it brings more and more people. captain didn't get like more knowledge that they could make a seat on the top of here. So they build a seat, but no backrest still. So going on, they get more knowledge and they build a backrest. After doing like about 6-7 years, they personally say, well, all right, government gonna take over because they build a backrest. And that's where the government falling from 1911. So they start to give the captain numbers. Numbers and all the way. Not like how this captain have his number. All of us here, they used to call like this captain and that one. But the reason why we should wear this shirt is pretty hot more time. And sometimes we come on the street to the next extra job. So that's why you see most of us here.
Don't start to call you and tell us you're getting a job.
Could be something sure and sometimes it's not sure. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes people call us and when they call us and say they're going to do a job. Sometimes when they come and look, there's a rain.
Alright. Alright people, so that was the captain talking. Maybe I should tell a little history about the rafting and how it started.
This jump off had this all night. Night.
There's a drop off. There's a spot. Over there, sir, there's deep water. Because them dig it out. And see, you know, they make it closer because sometimes people would have stopped seeing they don't know some of us.
Not used to being sitting down so long. Just feel like to jump off.
Yeah, same. Same.
Yeah, you can't feel like this.
That's why the man must stir up the dirt.
Yeah, you chop man them. I like
That's
how them
one of
go
this.
on. A good feel, man.
You're nice, stir up.
Good feel, but hey guys, it's after a long day. 4 hours, 5 hours. We're approaching this St. Margaret's Bay Beach right now.
Alright, may I lift up now?
Yeah.
Yeah, look up over and it's same way.
Okay.
Just want to catch 130 seconds.
Yeah, man. Closing video. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. So it has been a day. It's been a wonderful day.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
It's been a long, exhausting day, but we finally made it back.
Yeah.
So,
hopefully, when you love the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
yeah, subscribe to this.
Subscribe to your channel too.
NJ Nature Jamaica.
Alright. Yeah, big up.
See it here, Molly, they're watching a Dex Media. Modest set of quality them. Take a picture of them, you hear that? Yeah? Basics, pan it all, and it can't stop.